It's Paul from ReviewOutlaw.com, and today I'm testing the rinse kit. You're supposed to be able to charge this up with the hose. All you do is put this on the hose. We'll show you that after you fill it up. Once you fill it up, this really nicely goes all in here, and then you can take this to the beach, take it wherever you want, and you can use it to hose off sand, hose off your feet, hose off anything. And now we're going to test, now that it's full, we're going to test how long it sprays for, just with the compression of a hose. So, here we go. There's mist. Actually, that's incredible that it's that much. I did not think it would have this much. Oh, there's jet. And this is all like a kind of like the bladder you have at your house. Down in the bottom, the blue tank that has like a bladder in it that compresses it, and that just filled this up. But I mean, this is all just from there. So if you had this at the beach and you want to hose off your feet, get sand off and stuff, and what I'm doing now is just seeing exactly how much water. It's been going quite a while now, so you could be hosing off your surfboards, the kids, you know, tubes, toys, clothes. I did not think it would go this long. But I mean, I forget how many gallons it is. I think it's 2 gallons of water. You could definitely do the whole, you know, quite a bit, clean them off. This I think would be especially good for the beach. And as long as this video is, we did it right away, so that's how long it lasts. In this cabin here, this is a cabin, does not have the strongest water pressure either. So we filled this with something that doesn't have that much water pressure. The more water pressure you got, probably the better also. And I'd say it's just about done now. It's just about done, but I mean, actually it's, wow, if you put it like that, I guess you could still even get more out of it. I wonder if it matters if you go, yeah, it actually does. So if you were to lift this up higher, you could actually get, and have it lower, you actually get the rest of it. That's it. It just, nope. And I found the easiest way, you know, drain it is to put it lower, but as long as this video was, that's how long that water came out. So pretty much you could clean up anything you wanted to at the beach, have that right in. And if that's sitting in the back of your car, it's going to actually be a nice little warm shower also.
So we're here at the beach. So let's walk down the beach. I'm going to use this little spray hose. Nice. Spray my foot off. I'm all sand free.
Now when you're filling this, what you want to do is it's got a quick connect. So you're going to use this. If you get 2, you could just leave your nozzle, actually put one in the nozzle and leave it on here, but I don't have that right now. So you got to take this piece, which they always have in here, put on here, and then you put this on, and all you do is you use water pressure. And you can see the thing move, you can hear the water, and you wait. You can almost feel, like you can actually tell right now, I can feel the water moving through. And what you're going to do is you wait until you don't feel the water coming through at all anymore. And what it's doing is it's filling the bladder right now. So I can still, I mean, you can walk away. You cannot overfill this either. It's going to fill this to the pressure you have equal to your tank. So don't think that you can overfill it and it's going to go over the sides or it's going to hurt the machine at all. Because under regular house water pressure, you're not going to hurt it. The better pressure you have, the more it's actually going to fill up. Yeah. Nope, still going in. That's why I think you're better off walking away for a while, because then you're not waiting for it. But basically, you walk away for a few minutes, shut off your hose. Well, first, before you shut off the hose so it isn't back pressure, take your valve and turn your valve to the off position. So that's going to stop there. Then shut this off. Because one thing you're going to notice is when you take this off, there's going to be pressure between here and there. Take your hand, push it together, and then don't try to pull this back so you kill yourself. Push it together tight and then pull it and watch your face, because a little bit of water is going to squirt out. That's the pressure from the hose. But now, like before, when you put this on, all you do is flick that on, and you're going to have plenty of water pressure for your to take with you. And like I said, that last 2 gallons lasts a long, long time, and it only takes a few minutes to fill. So I would definitely, when I test it, we'll probably do another review on how long it lasts after a whole summer. But if it works like this for a whole summer, it's well worth the money.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel, click here to watch more videos, or please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.